Welcome to Engine Explorer, your daily pass to the boldest machines on Earth. And today, now buckle up, because what we're about to show you might actually make you question why anyone still lives in a house anymore. Right behind me is not just a truck. It's a 2026 Kenworth T2000 that's been transformed into a two-story luxury motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, double floor, 60 wheels, and enough tech and comfort to rival most high-end penthouses. From the outside, this beast looks like something out of the future. It retains the iconic aerodynamic Kenworth T2000 cab, but with aggressive design upgrades, LED headlight strips, full chrome trims, a stretched body, and a 60-wheel chassis supporting an enormous double-decker frame. And the paint? A shimmering deep pearl black with electric blue accents. It turns heads on highways like a spaceship rolling on rubber. But wait until you step inside. As soon as the automatic side ramp lowers, you're welcomed by heated marble, flooring, and ambient LED lighting running through the steps. The lower deck features a full-size living room with reclining massage chairs, a curved 8K OLED smart TV, a built-in fireplace, and yes, a panoramic electrochromic window that tints at the press of a button. Slide into the gourmet kitchen and you'll find luxury finishes, like Italian quartz countertops, a smart induction stove, double-door fridge, and even a wine cooler. The storage, insane. And the appliances are all voice-controlled and solar-assisted. Now head upstairs. The upper floor is where this Kenworth becomes a true rolling mansion. There's a master bedroom with a king-size bed that lifts to reveal under-bed storage, a smart glass ceiling that becomes transparent or opaque, and an ensuite bathroom that rivals five-star hotels. Rainfall shower, heated toilet seats, automatic scent diffusers, and touchscreen mirrors. There's even a mini lounge area upstairs, perfect for meetings, gaming, or just watching the skyline roll by from the rooftop windows. And the tech doesn't stop there. The T2000 is loaded with a fully integrated AI assistant, 360 security cameras, GPS-controlled suspension, solar roof panels, and satellite internet that never drops. You can literally live stream trade stocks or Zoom call from the middle of nowhere, bound in pure luxury. Under the hood, this Kenworth runs a hybrid turbo diesel electric engine, capable of hauling its massive weight while still optimizing fuel economy with regenerative braking and solar backup. It's smart, clean, and built to roam across continents. So can a truck really replace a house? Well, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 just did. With more space, more tech, more luxury, and the freedom to take your entire home wherever you want. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this peek into the future of mobile living, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you live full-time in this beast?